listening to what I tell you right now is going to help cement the relationship that you have with your cash investor, to make sure that when you call him, he accepts your calls and talks to you because he knows you're serious and you have been able to do all the heavy lifting and all the hard work to help him be able to buy this property and make a profit and pay you a fee along the way. You've been able to locate the seller. You located that the person who owns this property is Mrs. Washington. You located that seller. You have spoken with Mrs. Washington on the phone. Mrs. Washington has agreed to sell that property. Mrs. Washington is motivated. You can tell from the conversation that you're having with her that she is in foreclosure and she wants to get rid of the property, but she has a lot of equity in the property. She only owes $20,000 and the house is worth $130,000. There's a lot of equity in the property. She doesn't owe very much money. She wants to walk away with some money so she can go out there and rent her another piece of property.